Welcome everyone. This is my all-time favorite green smoothie recipe, and all the ingredients are totally natural. We will need a cup of spinach, a quarter cup of oatmeal, a tablespoon of whole flax seeds, 6 almonds, some coconut water, a cup or water, half a large apple, half a cup of frozen mango, a quarter of an avocado, some mint leaves, and half a lime. The smoothie's all ready to blend now. So you'll think this is really funny, but this is a really old Vitamix, probably 30 years old, and it is still working. The smoothie is really good with some chia seeds sprinkled on top, and please let me know if you enjoyed this smoothie. I hope you do. Let me know in the comment section below the video.